What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always, I have a lovely mom over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Alright guys, if you are new to this channel, you know what to do here. We do cooking tips and cooking, got to do with the kitchen. If you love staying in the kitchen, this is a channel for you. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. And let's get to the video. By title, we are doing fish sauce, but French style. Yes. So guys, this is the ingredients. We have our ginger, ginger, our garlic, fresh pepper,
sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Fresh pepper.
Yes, red and
green. Onion
seasoning.
and fisherman pepper.
Shepherd pepper.
Okay, shepherd pepper.
This is the shepherd pepper. You know, here we are living in abroad, so we don't have the fresh one, so you just have to make do with this dry one. All you just need to do is just to soak it inside hot water. It will now turn
to the fresh.
So that's it.
Anyways, and then the main character, the main ingredient, the fish himself, oil, coconut oil, salt, then tomato. This tomato is special tomato.
That's how I made it. So if you want to watch it or to know how to
we have another video in the description.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this
these are mixture of garlic, ginger, Asian spice, many things. There are many things that which I can.
You lick this thing raw, sorry you lick it like this. Anyways, that's it for the ingredient. Now let's get cooking.
This is the fish. I've caught it. This fish, I don't know the name, so I'll be washing it now. This is the mixture of spice, match and mix everything. Just like that. This is the pepper, the tomato, the onion. So I'm just going to blend everything together. This is my onion and this is garlic. I just want to use the garlic to flavor the oil. Yeah, I want to have the flavor in the oil. So this is the onion. Now I was contemplating not to put this sauce that I'm making. I love garlic. Garlic is really good for your body. So now, quick one. There's something I want to show you guys. You see the way I make the tomato, the way I prepared it. Oh my God! Look how smooth and thick. It's nice. Okay. Hi guys. So this is garlic. No, sorry, ginger. This. I want it smooth. Ginger now. So you see this sauce. Yoruba people call it omiobe. We'll still be adding little water to it, as you can see. This is the seasoning. I'm adding my seasoning, so I'll be adding little water to make it light. I'll leave it like 3 to 4 minutes before I will add my fish. So that's just it. So this is the sweet pepper. So I'm just going to just cut it big like that. Yeah, is it the fish head? They drop their pepper like this, fresh. That's the only difference. So this is the head of the. Oh my God, this is nice. It's really nice. In fact, as you can see, I feel like boiling rice. But sorry, mommy, this is not yours. So once it's this thing now, once it gets cold, I'm going to transfer it into a plastic, into a bowl. Then I'll go and deliver it. It's ready to be delivered. Okay. So that's just it. I think you can see. This is it. All the fish are intact. No one. Jeff, you're not saying anything.
Oh, I'm looking. I'm at the back.
Everything is
intact. They look. This thing, they're not scattered. They're not.
No. In fact, I feel like I should start. But sorry, I can't eat it. It's not mine. Okay. I like the smell, the aroma, excellent. Everything. The sauce. You see? It's light. That's why they call it. Sorry. That's why they call it omiobe. Yoruba call it omiobe. So fish sauce. That's it. I hope you can try this. Okay. So
okay guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The like is important because it helps the video move further. Okay, so guys, if you're not doing anything, please like the video. Wow, 100 subs and up, almost 150. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.
You guys are the best.
Yes. Yeah, that's it for this video. You know the drills.
Subscribe. They should
Subscribe
Please
too. It's so
subscribe.
useful. Yeah.
It's important.
To subscribe.
Okay?
Anyways, you know the drill. Eat healthy, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Love you guys. Bye.